Here's the latest on xtalks.com. A malaria vaccine developed by University of Oxford researchers has demonstrated a high-level efficacy of 77% in a phase 2 clinical trial. Hello, I'm Aisha Rashid, Senior Life Science Journalist for xtalks.com, and welcome to this edition of Xtalks Vitals. Our featured webinar for this episode is Linguistic Validation, Facilitating Patient Diversity in Clinical Trials. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar. A vaccine against malaria developed by researchers at the Jenner Institute at the University of Oxford has demonstrated an efficacy of 77% in trials and may be the magic bullet the world has been waiting for against the deadly disease. The shot is the first to meet the World Health Organization's Malaria Vaccine Technology Roadmap goal of a malaria vaccine with at least 75% efficacy. Currently, GSK's Mosquirix is the only licensed vaccine against malaria, which took over 3 decades to develop and has an efficacy of only about 56%. According to the World Health Organization, there were 229 million cases of malaria in 2019 worldwide, claiming the lives of 409,000 people. 94% of these cases and deaths occurred in the region of Africa, where it's one of the leading causes of childhood mortality. The Oxford malaria vaccine was evaluated in a double-blind, randomized, controlled trial conducted in Burkina Faso among 450 children who were followed for a year post-vaccination. Developing an efficacious vaccine against malaria has been challenging, given that the Plasmodium parasite that causes malaria has a complex genome and life cycle, and it's readily adaptable. In addition, malaria doesn't have a traditional market, leading to few developers. The new malaria vaccine is being touted a breakthrough with its high-level efficacy, and the Oxford researchers are now preparing for a phase 3 trial to assess large-scale safety and efficacy of the vaccine. Subscribe to the xtalks YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below, and visit xtalks.com for more information on this story and our featured life science webinar for this episode. Linguistic Validation, Facilitating Patient Diversity in Clinical Trials. Click the link in the description below to register for this free webinar.